touch of God, however gentle, is like lightning that lightens up one's knowing faculties in a way that's beyond concepts or sensible feelings. In other words, one is penetrating. It's the being to being exchange. Now no longer with words or even with feelings or even with spiritual experiences. It's closer than all those things because it's symbolized by a mouth-to-mouth kiss.
Mouth to mouth, you said.
Yes, and that image is used in Scripture. In case of Moses' relationship to God, are you familiar with the passage where the Israelites' leadership complained about his administration? And God said to him, "Well, bring these people to the tent of meeting," which was where he used to retire for external solitude, to be refreshed by God. So when they got there, I think Miriam and Aaron were there, real big shots. And he said to them, paraphrasing, "You know, I speak to the prophets in dreams and sometimes in words, sometimes with encouraging phrases, sometimes with symbols. But with my servant Moses, I speak not through symbols, but mouth to mouth. That is to say, being to being, without intermediary, spirit to spirit, or interpenetration of spirits." So total union or unity is all suggested in that remarkable passage.